I didn't see you there. I was too engrossed in my favorite book, 50 Shades of Grey. 50 Shades of Grey. 50 Shades of Grey. 50 Shades of Grey. It's the titillating story of a baby woman named Anastasia Steele, who's locked in a dungeon for 100 years by Christian Grey, a handsome sex wizard. Pretty racy stuff. Thanks to Makeup Forever's 50 Shades of Grey makeup line, the fantasy can become a reality. Like Anna, all you need to do is change your outfit and your plain boring face. See? We're already halfway there. Makeup Forever's 50 Shades of Grey makeup kit, valued at $79, includes an eye marker, lid rouge, and lipstick, which was invented in the 1400s to simulate the appearance of a dog's erect penis. Are you horny yet? Apply lipstick in a broad, circular motion. Add Makeup Forever's special semen gloss for that fresh, out-of-the-red room glow. Use the darkest shadow on the entirety of your eyelid. As for the rest of the colors, who the fuck knows? In all your makeup application, be sure and use a heavy hand. Isn't that right, Christian? Now that I have that Anastasia Steele look, there's only one thing left.
Mr. Grey will see you now.
I bet he will.